In this video, I'll show you how to set up your HP printer LaserJet Pro 3001DW using a USB cable instead of Wi-Fi with your computer. Here I'll use a PC computer, but with Mac it's almost the same technique. So let's get started. Now in the box with the printer, there was no cable included, so you'll have to purchase one separately. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one from Amazon. Usually it's the cheaper place to get it. All right, first step is to obviously plug the cable. So we'll go on the back of the printer. Take this end of the printer cable and we're going to stick it right on the top here. Make sure it goes all the way in. Okay, align it. Perfect. Now on the printer itself, since we're not going to use Wi-Fi, we can turn it off. As you see here, there's a blue light on the Wi-Fi button. If I press on it, the light will turn off, which means that the Wi-Fi will also be turned off, which we don't need. So I'll go ahead and connect this end of the USB cable in my PC computer. On your PC, all you have to do at this point is to open any files you wish to print, and then go ahead and click on the print icon. Over here where you see printers, oops, let me cancel this. Where you see printers, tap, and you should see HP LaserJet Pro automatically. Now, if you were not able to see your HP printer the way I did, and then press print, you'll need to install the driver of this printer directly on your PC or Mac from the HP website. Let me show you how you can get it. So on Google, on Bing, no matter which you're using, just type HP LaserJet Pro 3001DW driver. Search for this, then click on the HP support website. Go down. And over here where you see driver installation software, include print, whatever, this is the one that you need to download. So go over here, select download, and you'll be able to install the driver manually. But in most cases, you don't have to do this. And then all you have to do is to, well, make sure these settings are okay with you, especially if you want to print on both sides of the page, and press the print button. This printer is able to print quite quickly. So let's be patient and look over here. It has detected that we sent a file. You can also extend this if you have multiple pages so they don't fall on the ground. And we just got our print.